100 English questions answers. When to go? By tomorrow. When to go? By tomorrow. How to go? Go by bus. How to go? Go by bus. How tall are you? I am 6 feet tall. How tall are you? I am 6 feet tall. What do you want? I want a laptop. What do you want? I want a laptop. What's the time? It is 9 p.m. What's the time? It is 9 p.m. What to do? Let's play chess. What to do? Let's play chess. Are you tired? No, I am not. Are you tired? No, I am not. Who are they? They are relativist. Who are they? They are relativist. Who is dancing? Tom is dancing. Who is dancing? Tom is dancing. Is he well? Yes, absolutely. Is he well? Yes, absolutely. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Are you going? Yes, I am going. Are you going? Yes, I am going. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. Is it yours? Yes, it's mine.